So welcome to Money Matters 101 with like-minded females. I think tonight is incredibly important in the way to educate ourselves and to get the life skills that we need to succeed. These are the life skills that a lot of times no school kind of teaches you. You know how to handle stress and negotiate a higher salary, or even buy your first house with a mortgage.
When I first started my first career after university, I kind of saw some really horrific things where people would invest their money in a certain way because their financial advisor told them to. And that's not to say that all financial advisors give bad advice, but what it did teach me is everybody really needs to know about money because you're in the driving seat. My first question is, how do you feel about money today? On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident or aware about your personal finances do you feel? What are the different types of asset classes you can invest in? Say you have some money and you actually want to invest. Well, what can you invest in? You can invest in almost anything these days. For example, gold. Gold is a commodity that people are quite familiar with. And then more excitingly, there's a lot of other things you can invest in these days. So anything from crypto assets, you've probably all heard of Bitcoin, but also more excitingly, you can even invest in art. The earlier you start investing, the better. If you invest or save a little bit of money this year, and you make a little bit of money off that, right? You start off with a little bit, you make a little bit more money, that's your pot, right? Next year, when you're investing or saving, you're investing using this bigger pot of money. And the point about compound interest is, essentially, is making money on that money.
So I'm a freelance journalist. Started off writing about how middle-aged white men could make other middle-aged white men even richer. I turned 30 last year and started applying that knowledge to my own finances because I realised I have this bank of knowledge which I've spent 6-7 years building up.
My name is Ben. I work for Santander. I've worked for the bank for about 12 years. Currently run a team of about 28 people.
My name is Anya. I work at Taboola. I've never worked in finance or investments or anything to do with money really. But I'm here representing the normal young professional girl, living in London. So 50% of your net income should be basically spent on everything that you absolutely need to pay for. So that would be rent and bills and things that you're contractually obligated to pay for one reason or another. Then 30% would be your wants. So that is, going out for dinner or buying drinks, buying clothes, whatever else. And then 20% would be saving. And then saving can take many different shapes or form. So sometimes it's not necessarily just putting the money in the bank, it's sometimes actually paying off your loans.
I actually kind of have two savings pots at a minimum. So one is my longer term savings for big purchases, like a mortgage, retirement, house, whatever, whatever that big purchase is. And then I've got a smaller savings pot. The point being that I don't feel as guilty when I go into that pot.
What you don't want to do is set yourself this really unrealistic goal that you're never going to buy coffee in the morning, you're going to make your lunch every day, and then you'll be able to save probably an unrealistic amount for yourself.
Don't let others pressure you. Not everybody is in your financial situation. I think especially when it comes to investing, everybody thinks that they are doing the best, right? But if there would be one best way, everybody would be doing that.